Dreamers, this is Pixie. Just wanted to make some cool paper airplanes with you. This is the Dart and the Stealth. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Just get some copy paper and let's go. Okay, so you fold it in half, unfold, and fold down the one end here, the corner, and then fold the other corner. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring down the top almost to the bottom, kind of like an envelope. It's going to look like an envelope. See the edges here? Then you go ahead and you bring the corners down again, here. Okay, and bring the other one down and then fold up this little triangular area here. This is going to kind of keep it contained. And flip it over and fold it in half, kind of like a V shape here. And then bring down, now you're going to make the body of this part, so bring down a little bit. And this way, flip it over and do the other side. Flip up your wings here, one side, and flip over and do the other side, flip up the wings. Now you're going to cut your little stealthy snippets here. Alright, and there is your stealth. Okay, fold this in half. And then fold down the corners here. One corner. And the second one. Okay, and fold in the top here. And then you fold the other side in like this. And you flip it over. And you fold in the underside of it. And fold in the other underside. Okay, make sure it's nice and with your fingernail. Flip it over. And there's your dart. Now that you're done with your dart and your stealth, go and see which one flies the best. Good luck, have fun. Nice.